In this video, I'll be showing you how I made Elsa glow up. First, you're going to want to use a soft brush and color select the skin around the eyebrows. Next, using that skin color, color over the eyebrow to slowly make it disappear. Make sure that you're constantly changing the skin color to match the eyebrow portion that you're working on.
Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you.
Next, with a short hairbrush, select a taupe brown and redraw the eyebrows to your liking. I'm now going to add in some slight dimension and warmth to the hair. To edit the skin from a cool tone to a warm, tan, glowy skin, I selected a soft round brush and a light neutral color to draw all over the skin. You're going to want to change this layover from normal to dark burn and reduce the opacity. I repeat this process twice later in the video. Next, I'm just getting rid of some dark spots and freckles by color selecting around the face with a soft round brush and drawing with some light skin tone colors. For the eyeshadow, I selected a deep mustard yellow and I'm changing the overlay to soft light. To make the eyes pop, you want to increase the contrast by adding a bright blue around the iris. This also gives it a really nice cartoon look. I also changed the eye highlight to a star shape using my soft round brush. To change the lip color, I used a light neutral brown and changed the overlay to Divide. For the dress, I selected a pink color and changed the overlay to color. Erase any area you accidentally went over. Finally, for the necklace, I used a soft pink to create the initial shape. I went in with the white in the center of the stones and on the chain. To make the necklace really pop, add in a cool purple shadow underneath the chain and jewels. Thank you for watching my Elsa glow up video. Leave me a like and comment if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.